y'all. We just left a little convenience store on Warwoman. We're headed to 28. I have Elton behind me. And it's his first time on Warwoman, so we're going to see at lunchtime if he had an enjoyable trip down Warwoman and North Carolina 28. And I know it looks terrible out here. When they said mostly cloudy on the weather, they meant it. I'm on a VFR and it might be the wrong bike for today. But I didn't want to get stuck in rain on a different bike. That is a big motorcycle group. It is a Tuesday. I didn't expect to see any bikes out today. And as we were sitting there having a Coke at the little convenience store, they have Mexican Cokes. Be sure to stop. There were a lot of bikes that went by. It'd be better if it hadn't rained last night. The radar looked like it got rain about 1 a.m. And because it's so overcast, the roads just haven't had the chance to dry out completely yet. They probably won't because it's going to rain this evening. But it is beautiful out here. If y'all ever get a chance to meet Warwoman, I think you'll like it. Yeah, I wish the roads were dry. I think his bike backfired a couple turns back. I was pretty loud pop. Man, I wish the roads were dry. Here we are, back at 28. Hit that like button.